Setting up e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics 4 is a crucial step to measuring the effectiveness of your online store and making data-driven decisions. To start, you need to have a Google Analytics 4 property set up for your website. First, navigate to the Admin section of your Google Analytics 4 account and select the Data Streams tab. Here, you will see a list of your website's data streams. Click on the data stream for which you want to set up e-commerce tracking. Next, scroll down to the Enhanced Measurement section and toggle on the e-commerce settings. This will enable basic e-commerce tracking, which includes tracking of purchase events. To set up enhanced e-commerce tracking, which includes tracking of product views, add to cart events, and other shopping behavior, you need to add the e-commerce tracking code to your website. You can do this by using Google Tag Manager or by manually adding the code to your website's pages. If you are using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag for e-commerce tracking and configure it to fire on every page of your website. If you are manually adding the code, make sure to add it to every page of your website, including the checkout and thank you pages. Once you have set up e-commerce tracking, you need to verify that it is working correctly. To do this, navigate to the Debug View section of your Google Analytics 4 account and make a test purchase on your website. If e-commerce tracking is set up correctly, you should see the purchase event appear in the Debug View report. Best practices for setting up e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics 4 include using a consistent naming convention for your products and categories, and making sure to track all stages of the shopping funnel, from product view to purchase. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics 4 and gain valuable insights into your online store's performance. This will help you optimize your marketing campaigns, improve user experience, and increase conversions.